What a nice day.
Man, I'm really craving green monkey.
You know, today's a really nice day to go to the beach, yeah?
Still, can you
I'm
teach
gonna go.
me?
Just gotta do this. That. I might do an obstacle course. He's catching up to me. He's catching up to me. Oh my gosh. That was creepy. I hear him.
I see a green birthday
Oh no.
party hat.
I don't like getting eaten. I'm not getting eaten today. I gotta find safety and call the cops. Call the real cops.
Calling the cops.
Gosh, you're right. My phone, it's broke. I took it with me into the water when I was running. No, I can't call the cops. I need to find safety.
Learn the ballerina.
I gotta get to my house.
Don't die. Learn the ballerina.
It's becoming nighttime. Watch out, dude. I'm coming through. There's a monkey chasing after me that wants to eat me. I duped him. He fell into the water. I gotta find safety. Okay, I'm in my house. Gonna lock the door. Oh my gosh. What do I do now? I guess I could color change my color with a crown. Okay, change it.
Color brown.
No, why isn't it changing me?
Escape.
Why isn't it
Can't
changing?
escape. You can't escape.
I want to be red. Come on, no, it's not changing. No. I saved myself. I gotta run. Why is it not changing my color? Oh. My house is not safe. Oh, finally it changed my color. Now I should be safe from him. He doesn't know where I am. Okay, that's good. Okay. Wait. He recognizes me. Oh, crap.
Who is that guy?
My hand.
Sir, have you seen a green monkey? Sir.
Oh,
Sir. Yes, I have.
Yeah, I've seen a green monkey around. Ah, no! He bit my shoulder. Help! Run.
That makes sense. He changes, and then I eat him.
Oh no, reversed. Oh, come on. Oh, he's right there. Can I play?